Head on to our website, click on Login, enter your credentials. Here on our dashboard, click on Opportunities, click on Create an Opportunity. Here, let's select the center. I have selected Mumbai, but you can select the center your NGO is based in. The POC details are automated. If there is an alternate POC available, please mention their details like name, contact number and email ID. Please select the opportunities cause area. Now we need to add opportunity details. For example, I have written paint a school volunteer. Please include opportunity description so that the volunteers understand what they'll be working on. Mention details about the role, the NGO, and any other relevant information. Here, I have added a description for this opportunity. Now, you have to mention whether this opportunity will be remote, on-site, or hybrid. For example, I have mentioned on-site. Now, mention the address. We will add the PIN code in the first line. Now, from the drop-down box, you need to select the state, the city. Please mention your specific area. Please mention your correct and complete address. Please mention a landmark if available. Now, mention if this opportunity requires any specific skills. If yes, select the primary skills, which is the main skill that you will be looking for in this volunteer. Please note you can select only one primary skill, 2 secondary skills, and 3 tertiary skills. For example, graphic designing can be a secondary skill for a social media management volunteer. Once you have selected the required skills, you can then click on Submit. Please select the period of this opportunity. Please select the start date and the end date. As mine is a one-time event, the start date and the end date for this opportunity will be the same date, but yours can be different. Please mention if you want the volunteer to volunteer on weekdays, weekends, or either. Please mention the minimum term of this opportunity. It can be hours, days, weeks, months, or years. For example, I have selected 3 hours. Please select the session frequency. It can be one time, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Also mention the hours per session. For example, -3. Here in this box, you have to mention the selection criteria for the volunteer. I would be looking for basic painting skills, but yours can be different. Please mention the age group you are looking for this volunteering opportunity. I have selected all age groups, but yours can be different. Here in the gender, please select male or female if this volunteering opportunity has a specific requirement, or click on No Preference. Please select the languages you would require the volunteer to know. Please mention qualifications and prior experience if required for this volunteering opportunity. Here, I have mentioned none. Now mention how much you would offer the volunteer for this role. It can be per hour or the whole project. Now enter the number of volunteers you are looking for. Please mention volunteer policies if any. And if yes, please paste them here. Please mention the perks of this volunteering opportunity. Please enter the amount of the stipend if any, certificate, whether you will provide letter of recommendation, food, meals, expense reimbursement, recognition on social media, volunteer stories, online/print credits, rewards, gift, performance-based incentives. The volunteer by default will receive a certificate from ConnectFor if they complete 50 hours of volunteering. Once you have added all the details, please cross-check the form and click on Submit. Your volunteering opportunity is now under review. If everything looks right, your respective NGO relationship manager will approve this opportunity within 48 hours.